Hey, it's Dwight Jr here with Cliff Construction, back on site at the ADU project for some very awesome clients here in Indianapolis. I want to give you a walkthrough. We're about 90% there, so we're working on finishes right now. Let's do a quick walkthrough. I want to show you where we're at, and ultimately what we can do for you as well. If you're in Indianapolis and you're looking for an ADU build, come to us because we can do this for you as well. All right, welcome to the inside of the ADU here. Right now I'm standing in what would be considered the formal living room, and so there's a lot of space here, lots of space for our clients to get creative. And so this the arrangement here allows for a few different layouts, and so we'll leave it up to our clients to get the layout figured out, but they'll have a brand new space to enjoy and have fun with. So we've made a lot of progress since the last video, y'all. We finally got the flooring down. We also got quarter round installed as well. And we also got another coat of paint on. So if you remember from one of our last videos, we talked about touch-ups. Touch-ups have been completed, and the best part about it, we're not even done with our painting yet, so it's gonna get even better. To my right over here, we have the actual kitchen. The kitchen's, as I mentioned in the last video, kitchen's been pretty much complete. All the cabinets are installed now. Right now we're just getting all the cabinet hardware installed. We're waiting on our countertops, and so stay tuned, more coming soon on that. Follow me back here to the back let's go into the bedroom. And so the bedroom still has a little bit of work here to finalize everything, but we do put ceiling fans in our bedroom. We also got our carbon and smoke detector here, and we also have our nice large closet here. This bedroom is about 10 by 13, so nice large bedroom to figure out what you want to do with here. Again, many different, this layout is consistent and can be used for many different layouts. So let's transition into, we got the mechanical room here right behind me, and then we'll finish off with the bathroom. And so here's the mechanical room. It doesn't get super fancy in here, but I want you to know that we do spend time to make sure that things are laid out correctly and how they're supposed to be. Water heater will go here. Here's the radon system. Water softener go here, and then we have the furnace back here in the back. Then we have the 200 amp system. We do install carrier systems in our buildings, and so they come with a nice warranty and make sure that you're cared for well into the future. Stackable washer and dryer here. So lots of space in this the mechanical room, and planned out very well. And I'm gonna move into the bathroom here. People love our bathrooms. People love bathrooms in general, but let me kind of talk to you about what's so special about this bathroom here. So this shower is a roll-in shower, a barrier-free shower. We haven't installed the grab bars yet, but we're gonna get those installed. And so, you know, this bathroom's gonna be nice and safe, and you can roll right on in, take care of your business. To my right, we got the vanity, toilet, and then to my left over here, this is the linen closet. It's gonna be a pocket door. We don't have that set yet, but it's in progress. I can't wait to show you the final product here because it's gonna be amazing. And ultimately, I wanna build an ADU for you as well. If you're in the Indianapolis area and you're looking to have a new ADU built, please go to our website right now, www.cliffconstruction.com. Go to the Get a Quote form, get that form filled out, and we'll be in touch with you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.